Chapter 2: Sleep, Your Superpower in Disguise. And why a rested mind changes everything. We don't just sleep to rest because we are tired. No. Sleep is your body's most advanced healing system. But today, most of the people are not sleeping properly. There is a global sleep crisis. The real data I'm sharing with you. The average adult today sleeps 1.5 hours less than few decades before. 70% of the teenagers are not they are reporting not sleeping enough, and lack of sleep is affecting children, working adults, women, elders, everyone. Sleep disorders have increased by 21% in the last decade. The WHO calls this as a sleep loss. It's a sleep epidemic. We are awake but not alive. We are functioning but not rested. We are surviving, not thriving. This is why people emotionally are feeling weak, unstable, not motivated. They quit things easily, lose focus fast. They can't stay consistent. They struggle to manifest anything. Sleep is the foundation on which discipline is built. What happens during good sleep, my dear friends, is very important. The brain moves through 4 repeating stages, each one of around 90 minutes. The number one is the light sleep. Your body starts like feeling relaxed, breathing deepens, mind detaches from the day. The second phase is stabilizing phase. The heart rate slows, nervous system shifts towards the parasympathetic, like the calmer one, the rest mode. The third one is the non-REM sleep. This is where the body heals, tissue repairs, immune system strengthens, inflammation reduces, hormone balances. This is physical recovery. A rapid eye movement, REM sleep, is where your heart and mind they heal. Emotional memories are processed, stress responses are softened, and here is where the creativity increases and the learning and recall also improves. This is mental and emotional recovery. And deep sleep, if we see, repairs the body. The rapid eye movement sleep repairs the soul. If deep sleep is a body's doctor, the rapid eye movement sleep is a heart's therapist. When you wake up tired, even after sleeping, it's because your body never reached these deeper stages, which I've spoken in the video. This is the modern sleep problem. Not too little sleep is not a problem, but too shallow sleep is the problem. And why this matters for your money manifestation and work performance or life results is when deep sleep is missing, what happens is the system gets affected, number one, especially the prefrontal cortex, the decision center. So what happens in daily life? There is poor judgment. What happens with money? It's overspending. Impulsive decisions are there. And number two effect is your system gets affected, like the amygdala, the emotional center. So how it results in the daily life? It is overreaction to stress. How it is seen in your money life? It is anxiety around money. The third effect is systems effect. Like again, the dopamine systems effect, the motivation. So the result in the daily life is low drive. And the result in money life is inconsistent work habit. System gets affected. This is the fourth thing which gets affected. It is your memory processing. The result in daily life, difficulty in learning or planning. And how it results in your money life, you can't execute long-term goals. You seek shortcuts, instant gratification. So when people say, I know what to do, I just can't get myself to do it. This is the people say. They don't have a discipline problem. Actually, if you see, they have a sleep problem. And clarity comes from rest, and rest comes from safety. And safety comes from the nervous system. And yoga has a role here. Yoga is not about only flexibility. It teaches breath control, the emotional regulation, because your hormones are regulated, your nervous system calming, softening. This is exactly what your body needs to reach to in your deep sleep, in your REM sleep, the rapid eye movement sleep. Just 7 minutes of slow, intentional movement before the bed can improve your sleep's depth dramatically. And my company offers you best instructors, and our yoga sessions are designed to help you release adrenaline from muscles, and open your breathing pathways, calm your heart, tell your brain, we are done for today. Because when the nervous system feels safe, sleep arrives on its own. Did you know when you sleep well, your intuition gets clearer? This is why your best ideas come in the shower, during a walk, while driving, right after waking up. Your mind finally gets quiet enough to hear itself. It is able to hear internally. And your manifestation actually requires this mental quietness, not that mental force. This ends the chapter 2, and there are more, totally 7 chapters. See you in the next chapter.